Hello, I am John, and I am with.
Jeno.
So we will be showing you how to install the VirtualBox or virtual machine on your PC or unit. So first, since we have already downloaded the VirtualBox, as you can see, there is the software. What do you call this? Like that one. So first is, what do we have to do?
So, after installing and downloading the, okay, you will launch the VirtualBox application. And then, you will look for the machine tab. Oh,
Where am I? Wait. It should it should show, but it's not showing. There. I've been searching for this thing. Wait. So this will show up. This was supposed to be showing up, but
yes.
dili siya maklaro. Yan. Asa na tayo? Balik tayo dyan. So, ang ilagay is, what do we have to put?
Windows Server 2016.
Windows Server 2016. Tapos,
And
check.
you must make sure that the type is Microsoft Windows and
Ah.
and
Microsoft.
its version is Windows 2016 64-bit.
It's supposed to be 2016 since, I mean, yun ang gamit natin. Siguro.
Hmm. I
Next.
guess. Kasi yun din ang version din na na-download ata. Oh.
Okay. So, next is
So, after nyan,
choose a memory size.
for the VirtualBox, for the
Memory
virtual
size.
so the VirtualBox recommends 2 gig
2
for
gig.
these virtual machines settings. So,
Recommends,
dapat 2
is
gig
this
siya.
enough? 2 gig? Or do we have to change it pa?
2 gig. Okay, 2 gig.
Okay na to yung eh.
Ano mga,
This is 2
ilan?
gig already. 2048 MB. Okay na to.
Okay na yun?
By staying in the green zone. So we have to stay in the green zone.
Yes, and the host will not have any issue with slowing down. Kung ganyan. Then, after that, click next mo.
Next. We have to click next.
And create.
If you
So,
wish.
ang password mo, So, choose create a virtual hard disk now, then click create. Yun
Create.
ba?
Yeah, create a virtual hard disk.
Then create.
Hard disk file type. Choose VHD.
Or virtual hard disk.
Virtual hard disk. Next.
So, because in this option, it will allow us to use this virtual machine to a Windows Hyper-V. Then click next.
Ito.
And wait. Choose dynamically allocated and click next.
Dynamically allocated hard disk file will only use space on your physical hard disk as it fills up to maximum fixed size, although it will not shrink again automatically when space on is freed. A fixed size hard disk file may take longer to create on some systems, but is often faster to use. I am not sure with my system because it's a bit slow. So I'll be using the dynamically allocated. Next is
The next step consists of naming the virtual machine and allocating a size. So, magamit lang tayo ng same name sa pag-setup natin sa virtual machine, which is, sorry, Windows Server 2016, and mag-create ng disk, which is gina-recommend ng 50 GB, 50 gig.
so this is good. If you have less than 50 GB available, you can allocate 20 GB just for this introductory task. Should we change it to 20 or 50? I am 50 GB is still enough with my memory pa naman ata. So let's just do 50. Create. Okay,
And
that's
confirming the
good.
setting by clicking create button. So yan, meron na siya. So after na-create ang virtual machine sa VirtualBox, so all you have to do is add some additional configurations. So ang mga configurations is before daw tayo mag-go ahead and start the operating system, we need to prepare the following. So first is mag-create ng virtual network kasi this will allow our virtual machine to connect sa internet and will communicate with other virtual machines na
Ah,
later.
first you need to create a virtual. Open the file menu. File menu. File. Is this system file menu? And click on preferences. Preferences. And then click on network. Network. Then click the tiny green button to add your new network. This is the tiny button. Oh my god, wait. Di siya makita pala.
Asan na tiny button?
Tiny
Ay,
button. Wait lang. I have to edit. Yan, no. Properties. Preferences. Ayun. Ito mag-show up ang preferences. Network and then tiny button. So, is a tiny button.
not network.
Bakit siya not network? A new not
Plus,
network. Okay, add a new not network. Change the network name to last name 1, last name 2, network lab. So, rename, edit, dito. Ito makita ba to? Hindi naman siya makita. Wait lang, I have to add another one.
wait lang. So, nag-research ako ano tong meaning ng NAT network. So, ang NAT network is it will create a new internal network interface. Tapos mag-add siya ng NAT network service. So, still, gahanap ako ng meaning pa talaga. So, meaning pala ng NAT is Network Address Translation. So, yun.
Nicholas Villaflores Network Lab.
Saan
For the
tayo?
IP address, write 10.10.
10.0.
Then 0 slash
Yeah.
24.
24
The
and
slash 24
support.
represents the subnet mask that this is the alternative to writing 255.255.255.0. To assign dynamic address to the VMs, leave the checkmark tick to support DHCP option. Tama ra. Okay na. Then, okay? Click OK
Yes.
to validate. Okay. So yun, na-change na. Wait.
So, after nyan, select your virtual machine and click on the settings shortcut, open the settings window.
Okay na ba to? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then move this one
Fill up
again.
your,
Saan na tayo? Settings?
step 3 na tayo.
The general section.
Settings window.
This one?
Settings.
Settings muna. So, hindi na siya nag-open.
Wala siya nakita?
Wait lang. Yan.
So, under set advanced,
Share clipboard.
i-enable daw siya. Advanced.
Advanced. Where is advanced? Advanced.
Dito.
Shared clipboard by selecting bidirectional. Bidirectional, dalawang host to guest to sa okay. Do the same thing in a drag and drop.
So, bidirectional.
And falls between the host and VM in both ways. Okay? Okay. Oh my god. Nawala. These settings. Hindi pa pala siya dapat okay.
IO.
Ay,
IO
balik ko
kasi,
siya.
okay, punta ka daw sa advanced kung save ko siya. Kasi sa pagkaintindi ko, ang bidirectional is, yun gani, it can, drag and drop files and folders between the host and VM in both ways, so by 2.
Next is click on System. Observe the assigned memory that we have set in the previous step. You can change the value if you want, then click on Network. Wait lang, asan ako? Next click is observe the assigned memory. That we have set in previous step. You can, You can change the value if you want. Then click on Network. Volume. Okay. I don't want to change. That touch to. I am. Select not network. Okay. I should be on network.
Network. Then attach to not network. My screen. Mamangs are better. And last name 1, last name 2, network.
Yeah, this one.
Oh.
There is another way to share files. You can also create a shared folder with your host machine to share files between your host and your VM. Go to the shared folders section, then click the add button. Is this the add button? Then enter the folder path and the folder name. You can set the share to read only. Where should I? Mag-set ako ng folder sa drive.
Yung hanggang matakaroon.
May shared folder kaya ako. Okay. Then, okay.
Na read only mo na yun siya.
Yes.
So,
and then, so that's it. We are done with with the VM configuration. So, what have you learned about the task, Jeno?
So,
what have you learned? So, for me, I've learned about we can use other types ng OS. Here, using VirtualBox. Meron ka mapilian din, diba? Nakita mo yung before. So, yun. And then, what else have I learned? Pwede pala siya, you can get from the main PC, from VM to your host. Between BVM and to your host. How about you, Jen, no?
Isa lang, pero important din siya na lesson kasi ang na-learn ko is among all the software and programs that we've been using in order to share files from one host to another is this one. Kasi before, we've been using other things like uploading our files in our own emails, Google Drives, or sending one emails or zip folders into one's accounts. Then sa na-understand sa na-learn ko dito is it does not only share your folder or files or any virtual machines, but also it can help your file to be more in a mas secured because you can choose na pwede siya ma-read only, pwede mo siya ma-edit. Though same siya sa iba, but still, this software is more secured. Then, I think, yes, ang importance din sa tasks na gigawa natin kanina is not only na maka-learn tayo paano siya i-set up, i-launch, and i-install, pero I bet um, magamit din natin siya sa ating future. Though we're not sure when, pero I'm sure that in our future, if sa ating mga jobs or sa ating own projects, magamit natin siya.
Yes, magamit to siya.
So let's proceed to how to submit.
How to submit? Oh, we're done. We just have to submit this. Wait,
Thank you, sir.
I am supposed to like change the recording, like we're doing live broadcast.
Wait, can you change my face?
No, I cannot change your face. Transition.
Dapat pala no, video ko sa gilid mo.
So, okay. So that is all. That is how you install and create a virtual box, a virtual machine.
Yes. Bye.